just had a potato salad and a toasted sandwich at my bungalow in Zambia. I'm sure you would like to enjoy this sort of bungalow too. See the surroundings. This is a small hoarding. This is a small hoarding somewhere in Mpongwe, on the copper belt of Zambia. Oh, it's nice. I do enjoy my day. I do enjoy my practice and everything that comes with it. And this is a sand mound with a new projected structure adjacent to it, which you can see in the background, is a government-funded Bihan warehouse just nearby, and this is the surrounding area. You can see the surrounding fields. I've got a small field just around here. The small field around this area. This is the new maize that is sprouting, and this is the 4th of January 2025. We are still yet to plant. Just around here, the main field is somewhere else. So you can see, this is the field around the homestead. This is a small hoarding. There is another big farm elsewhere, but we want to start with first things here and see what happens. Then we move on to the other place. This is the foundation for a little warehouse where we can keep some things for on-farm storage. And where you can see there, that far, there is a power transmission line and also a tarmac line that goes to the copper belt